Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from xampp.com and welcome in lecture number 2nd. Today we are going to download the XAMPP server because in this series I am going to use the XAMPP server inside my machine. Okay, because I have a local environment. For suppose if you are working on your system, that means you are locally connected, and if you are typing like udemy.com, that means you are talking to server. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, now we are going to download the XAMPP. So type XAMPP, hit the enter button. Okay, now you can see XAMPP is a free, just a second. You can see XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack packed developed by Apache Friends, consisting mainly for the Apache HTTP server MariaDB database. Okay, so here is your apachefriends.org. so this is the official website of XAMPP server. You can download the XAMPP server from this website. You can also download the XAMPP server from others website, but I recommend that you have to download the XAMPP server from apachefriends.org. hit the link. Okay, so now while I'm recording this lecture, the current version of XAMPP is 7.2.1. That means the PHP version is 7.2.1. Okay, make sure for now we are not going to download this XAMPP version. Why? Because we are going to start from core PHP, so that's why you don't need to download this XAMPP version. When we start the PHP 7, then we download this version. But for now, go to the download section. Now you can see we have different type of versions. For suppose PHP 5.6.33, PHP 7.0.27, PHP 7.1.13, PHP 7.2.1. so we need this version. Okay, so first of all, check out your operating system. You can see I have right click on your PC, properties. You can see I have 64-bit operating system. Okay, so I have a Windows 10 first of all, because I'm the user of Windows. So they have 32-bit so they have 32-bit version, and they have, if you are downloading for your operating system, so this is a Windows version, and if you are a XAMPP for Linux, or this is a Mac version. So if you are running the operating system Mac inside your machine, you have to download these versions, or if you are working on Linux, you have to download these version, or if you are working on Windows, you have to download this version. So hit the download button. I'm downloading the PHP 5.6.3.3. download. Once you click the button download, you can see the setup is downloading. Okay, so now I have already downloaded the XAMPP. So you can see I have already 5.6.33 version XAMPP. So double click on this. You can see I have now XAMPP. So you can, yes, okay, Okay, I'm saying next. I'm going to okay, I'm saying MySQL. Okay, hit the next button, so you don't need to change the setup. I'm installing the XAMPP inside my C drive. Okay, for now I'm going to install the XAMPP inside my C drive, but in my later lectures I will show you where is the XAMPP. Okay, so hit the next button first of all. Next. So next, you can see it's installing the XAMPP server inside your machine. So it's totally depend upon your machines. If you have I have installed 16 GB RAM and I have 4 GB graphic card, so it's totally depend upon your machine. So it's working fine. So just a second, I will show you when it installed successfully. So you can allow access. We are about to end creating an installer. So you can see we are going to, okay, just a second, just a few seconds. So now you can see we have installed XAMPP inside our local machine. Okay, I'm saying English American. Okay, so now you have successfully downloaded and you have successfully installed the XAMPP control panel. So now rule number 1, whenever you want to install the XAMPP server, first of all sign out your Skype. Okay, hit the start button and hit the start button. Okay, this means we are starting our server. So when we start database, then we have to start this service. Okay, so for now go to your browser, type localhost and hit the enter button. You can see now it's saying welcome to XAMPP. So that means you have successfully installed XAMPP inside your machine. So in the next lecture we are going to create the file, or so how can so in the next lecture I am going to create the PHP file, and I'm going to teach you how can you create the PHP file and how PHP file works. So I hope you are enjoying this series, and if you think I am doing good, feel free to share my courses and my videos. So thank you for watching.